So we move on to the fifth problem of 11.3 exercise. In this, small fx is given and you are asked to find capital Fx and one probability. There are only two subdivisions. Small fx is split into two parts, from minus 1 to 0, x plus 1 is the definition. From 0 to 1, minus x plus 1 is the definition. And nowhere else. So minus 1 to 1 is the only range of the given variable. And so capital Fx is basically defined as integral minus infinity to x of fx dx. Actually the lowest limit is minus 1, so we can change it as minus 1 to x. And by minus 1 to x I mean the first part, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. So we are finding capital F only for this range. We cannot find capital F for the whole fx. You have to split it into the two ranges. So minus 1 to x of fx dx for minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0 means it is x plus 1 that is to be integrated. So x plus x ku x square by 2, 1 ku x, minus 1 to x substitute பண்ணுறோம். So half into x square வந்து upper limit x square தான் இருக்கும், lower limit 1. So x square minus 1, minus 1 ஓட square plus 1 தானே. இந்த minus 1 ஃபார்முலாவில் இருக்குது, அதாவது upper limit minus lower limit அப்படிங்கிறது ஃபார்முலாவில் இருந்து. ப்ளஸ் அடுத்தது எக்ஸுக்கு அப்பர் லிமிட் எக்ஸு, லோயர் லிமிட்டு மைனஸ் 1. ஸோ எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் மைனஸ் ஒன்னா எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 1 ஆகிடுது. ஸோ இது எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பை 2, இது மைனஸ் ஆஃப், இது ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸு, இது ப்ளஸ் 1. ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பை 2 ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸு, மைனஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ளஸ் 1 இஸ் ப்ளஸ் half. So that's for capital Fx in the first range. For second range, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Here the definition is minus x plus 1 and the range is 0 to x. Lowest limit, instead of minus infinity we should put 0. 0 is the lowest limit in this range. So the integration is minus x square by 2 plus x. 0 to x we are substituting, and when you substitute 0 the whole thing becomes 0, you know very well. So only when x is substituted you have value, so it remains minus x square by 2 plus x. And after finding the two different definitions for capital F, we are supposed to write this final answer in brief, in reference, So minus 1 is the least value of the variable. So when x is less than minus 1, capital F will be 0. And in the interval minus 1 to 0, it is x square by 2 plus x plus half. In the interval 0 to 1, it is minus x square by 2 plus x. So x oda maximum value 1. So x greater than or equal to 1 vanda capital Fx will be 1 plus 1. So there are 4 parts to the definition. In a general definition there will be 3 parts. Here there are 4 parts because here small fx also defined in 2 different ranges because of that. Now the second subdivision is probability of minus 0.5 lesser than or equal to x less than 0.5. So you have to split this as minus 0.5 to 0 of fx dx plus 0 to 0.5 of fx dx. Minus 0.5 to 0 means the first interval. So the definition is x plus 1. And for the second interval it is minus x plus 1. We are using small fx only here. To calculate the probability we use the small fx given in the question. So the integration is to be done. It is x square by 2 plus x for the first interval, and the calculation is from minus 0.5 to 0. So you know very well when we substitute 0 the value becomes 0. So first term half common adutha 0 minus 0.5 oda square 0.25 plus x க்கு 0 minus minus 0.5 means plus 0.5. அடுத்ததுல minus half common எடுத்துட்டு 0.5 whole square 0.25 by 2 minus lower limit is 0 plus அடுத்ததுக்கு 0.5 minus 0. So there is 0.5 plus 0.5 which is 1 minus 0.25 by 2 minus 0.25 by 2 ரெண்டு வாட்டி வருது. minus 0.25 by 2 ரெண்டு தடவை ஆட் பண்ணினா minus 2.25 வருது. ஸோ 1 minus 0.25, அதாவது a by 2 plus a by 2னா a இல்லையா அது மாதிரி. ஸோ 1 minus 0.25 0.75.